What's the meaning of cosmopolitan? Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan.
Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan is an adjective that describes someone or something that is familiar with and at ease in different cultures and countries. A cosmopolitan person is open-minded, tolerant, and able to interact successfully with people from diverse backgrounds. Similarly, a cosmopolitan city or environment is one that embraces diversity and features a variety of international influences. Overall, cosmopolitan suggests an appreciation for the interconnectedness of the world and a willingness to engage with it in a positive and constructive way.